Good morning. It's like 55 degrees, but it is dreary out. Grass is getting nice and green. I like it. Rained last night. All right, so I have a project that I want to do inside today. So I'm not doing a whole lot today. My winch cable for my side-by-side is supposed to be here sometime today, so I might put that on. But I picked up some black iron pipe and some 90s. I'm going to build a gate. Build a gate for the chicken coop. I wanted to buy just a 3-foot or 2-foot by 6-foot chain link fence gate. It's like $107. And then to buy the pieces to build one was even more. So I picked up some cheapo black iron, a couple 90s. Gonna screw it all together. I'll tack weld it. And that should be a good gate, and I'll put wire on it. A couple hinges, we'll be ready to go. So let me get this thing screwed together. Get it all nice and tight. And I'll throw a few tack welds on it. Yeah. Back in a minute. I am by no means a welder when it comes to flux core welding. Now, if this was argon gas and a MIG welder, all day long. But it's going to work. All it has to do... Oh, I forgot to weld that one. Crap. Is to keep the pipes from spinning, which I don't think they will, because if it unspins from one, it's going to tighten up the other one. So, let me throw a weld on this. I'll let it cool down. Smoky in here. Let me open the door. Man, beautiful day. Beautiful out. I am digging my yard. Don't like the weeds, but I'm digging the yard. So let me throw a weld on the one I forgot. And I got to find some hinges to weld on it. And we're going to get a coat of black paint. All right, so that's going to be it for today. I am waiting on the UPS guy. He is supposed to be delivering my new winch rope for the side-by-side today. So if that happens, I'll bring you all back. We'll put that on. But I want to get that done because I need to get out here in the chicken coop. I picked up some more wire fencing. I don't know what I do with it. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Like I said, I was like 6 feet short, so that gate's going to get hooked to right here. Probably open out. I think that'd be the best way to do it. Then I can take my other post in here, get the wire the rest of the way up. We'll be good to go. Okay, so in case the UPS guy doesn't show up, we'll be right back out here tomorrow. And hopefully we can finish this fencing and the gate. Then I can figure out how to put the bird netting up. Okay, it's either see you bye or back in a minute. All right, change of plans. I'm going fishing. And we're gonna see if we catch anything. Water a little low, but I picked up quite a few right in here last year in this little wilderness brook. This place is freaking cool. Love it. All right, let's see if I catch anything. I don't see anything in the water, but we'll find out. Back in a minute. I think it's too early for the trout to be running. But man, I love this place. This place is cool. Nice little brook. Water's pretty clear. Yeah. This place is nice. So, somebody left some fishing line here. I'm gonna pick that crap up and take it with me. It was nice to get out, even though I was only here for 15, 20 minutes. I just don't even see anything. The last time I could see them in there swimming. So maybe another couple weeks they'll be running. I don't know. But still feels good to go fishing, and it's not far from the cabin. Okay. So I got the winch cable in. We'll put that on tomorrow. I did a little bit of work out in the yard. I'll show you that tomorrow too. And yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. I'm going to finish up that chicken run. Turn it into a gorgeous day. Check it out. Awesome. All right. See you. Bye.